Good morning to all. It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one. So it comes down to if ETH is going to be able to survive at these overbought levels. Yes, everybody is excited about crypto right now. I'm excited about crypto right now, but I want to talk about one of my holdings, Jasmy, and where I think Jasmy will be going within the next month or so. So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Now, you got to expect that the video is about to start heating up with Jasmy. Usually when you see price action from Jasmy, you start to see influencers making videos. We've been making videos for years on Jasmy, and Jasmy, I told you guys, was putting in a higher low here on the stock RSI, and was a good chance that we came to retest these moving averages. Now, if we can turn these moving averages into support, then Jasmy turns bullish. In fact, we can check the bull market bands here while I got the video, but this all is correlated with Ethereum. Like, Ethereum has to be able to keep the momentum that it has. You can see we're going right up to resistance. So this is very, very important, right? Because if we get rejected here, I think if ETH gets rejected at that at those moving averages, if altcoins like Jasmy get rejected, well, ETH is actually blowing through his moving averages, to be fair. Actually, let's turn the bull market band here on ETH. Let's see what we got here. And you can see ETH is actually blowing past its bull market bands and actually turning the bull market bands into support. While I'm looking at this, we can go check out the ETH BTC chart and just see if we can get, if we're getting that breakout on the ETH BTC chart. Yes, the ETH BTC chart is showing strength and an upward trend, and this is huge, right? We still have to get above this 50-day moving averages, which is going to be the big dog, right? Because if ETH can perform with Bitcoin, right, and help that Bitcoin dominance go down a little bit, it's going to trigger a domino effect with some of these altcoins. Now, back to Jasmy here. You can see Jasmy has a critical level at about 2 pennies that it needs to turn into support, which is the 50-day moving average. Technically, when you get these altcoins over the 21-day EMA and the 50-day moving averages, they are bullish. Jasmy just isn't there yet. Now, in my opinion, how I look at it, you got two options. You can buy here and assume that Jasmy is going to break out, or you can buy on a confirmation candle above 2 pennies. That way you're taking on less volatility in case Jasmy does get rejected, and you're buying upon confirmation, similar to what we're seeing on this Ethereum chart if we go here, right? And again, I talked about this in the J5 Council, how I do believe that the market has not priced in the Fed cuts, QT, and a lot of the catalysts that we have coming up. And if ETH can print a confirmation candle above this 50-day moving average, meaning if we can hold next week and continue to go higher, right, that's going to start an altcoin rally, specifically with some of these ERC20 tokens that have been severely suppressed. So just pay attention to the confirmation candle on ETH. If ETH can print a confirmation candle, not get rejected here at this neckline, and push up above the resistance we hear at about 3,200, you want to see ETH get above that, but more so you want to see ETH print a confirmation candle above 2,600, which would mean one more candle next week confirming that we are in a bullish trend. What that is going to do, it's going to work like a magnet. It's going to pull ERC20 tokens like Jasmy up, right? Also pay attention to the breakout here on the total 3. You can see that the total 3 also here is breaking out. And I also want to look for that ultimate RSI cross on Jasmy, because we know that that is a very, 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 very bullish indicator. So let's actually pull that up here. We're staring right at the ultimate RSI cross, guys, for Jasmy. So if we can get some motion here with the correlation of ETH, this is going to be extremely bullish. Let's see if ETH actually got that. Oh yeah, ETH got a massive move here on the ultimate RSI breakout, right? So yes, the stock RSI is overbought, but we know that when we get these RSI crosses on ETH with the Lux Algo Ultimate RSI, you usually see a nice, good breakout, right? I'll tell you what, if ETH can break above the all-time high, which is about 4K, and head into price discovery, we're going to have altcoin season. We're going to have altcoin season. We're going to have a wonderful altcoin season. People are going to make a lot of money. And this is happening based on institutional flow. We haven't even gotten retail back into crypto yet, but once these green candles start setting up, they'll be on the way. Good to see projects like HBAR, Algo, some of the OGs doing well, but this video is specifically about Jasmy. If you want to see me make a video about Tau, Peak, or ZBCN, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms.